Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's learn with them. In today's video, we'll see how to solve simple linear equations. We will learn that what are linear equations and how can we solve linear equations and find the value of the variable in them. In video, we'll learn how to solve linear equations with one variable or a single variable. So let's start the video. First, we have to learn some basic rules to solve linear equations. There are some reciprocals of mathematical symbols or mathematical operations, such as the reciprocal or opposite for addition is subtraction. The reciprocal or opposite for multiplication is division. The reciprocal or opposite for square root is square. The reciprocal or opposite for cube root is cube. इसका मतलब ये है कि अगर इक्वालिटी की एक साइड पर कोई वैल्यू ऐड हो रही होगी तो दूसरी साइड पर जाके वो वैल्यू सब्सट्रैक्ट हो जाएगी। अगर इक्वालिटी की एक साइड पर कोई चीज़ मल्टीप्लाई हो रही है तो दूसरी साइड पर जाके वो चीज़ डिवाइड हो जाएगी। अगर इक्वालिटी की एक साइड पर स्क्वायर रूट है तो जब उसको दूसरी साइड पर लेके जाएगी तो ये स्क्वायर बन जाएगा। अगर इक्वालिटी की एक साइड पर क्यूब रूट है तो जब उसको दूसरी साइड पर लेके जाएगी ये क्यूब बन जाएगा। So these are some rules for equality. When we solve linear equations, we will follow these rules to find the value of the unknown, which is called the variable. So the general form of linear equation with one variable is a plus bx is equals to c, where a and c are constants and b is the coefficient of x, and x is the only variable for which we have to solve the linear equation and find a suitable value. So what are linear equations? Basically, the equations in which the variable has the highest power of 1 are called linear equations. We does not mention this because it does not change anything in the equation, because a value raised to the power 1 will be equal to that value. So it doesn't matter to put 1 in the power or not. Basically, linear equations have a variable with the highest power of 1, that no variable will be of power 2, of power 3, of power 4. The highest power of variables in linear equations is 1. No variable will have a power greater than this. These are some examples of linear equations in which we have to find the variable of unknown, which is the unknown variable. So the first one is 3 plus x is equals to 5. 3 is positive on this side of equality. So when we move 3 from this side to another side, it will be negative. So we have moved 3 from this side of equality to another side. When we move 3 from to another side of equality, it becomes negative. X is equals to 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. So we have find the value of x, which is 2. Next is minus 4 plus x is equals to 12. 4 is negative on this side of equality. So when we move 4 on the other side of equality, it will be positive. X is equals to 12 plus 4, x is equals to 16. So we have found the value of x, which is 16. So this is the solution of these equations. Let us see some other examples. 3 plus 2x is equals to 5. 3 is positive on this side of equality. It will be negative on other side of equality. So when we move 3 from this side of equality to the other side, it becomes 2x is equals to 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. We can see 2 is multiplying with x on left side. So when we move 2 on right side, it will divide. So x is equals to 2 divided by 2, x is equals to 1. Okay. Next is 6 divided by x is equals to 3. Here 6 over x is a fraction and 3 over 1 is a fraction. We can put 1 on the denominator because similarly it doesn't matter if we put 1 in denominator or if we not put 1 in denominator, the value will remain same. Putting 1 in denominator does not change any value in our equations. So let us consider that 3 over 1 is one fraction on the right side of equality, and 6 over x is another fraction which is on the left side of equality. So in such type of equations, when there is a fraction on any one side of equality, we will follow the method of cross multiply. 6 will be multiplied, the numerator of left side of fraction will be multiplied by the denominator of right side of fraction. The denominator of left side of fraction will be multiplied by the numerator of right side of fraction. So 6 will be multiplied by the denominator of 3, which is 1. And x, which is the denominator of the left side of fraction, will be multiplied to the numerator of right side fraction. X will be multiplied by 3. So 6 multiplied by 1 is equals to 6, and 3 multiplied by x is equals to 3x. Now 3 is multiplying by x on the right side. So 3 will be divided on 6 on the left side. So it will be 6 over 3 is equals to x. 3 2's are 6. So 6 over 3 is equals to 2, and 2 is equals to x. We have find the value of x, which is 2. So this is a solution of this equation. So basically, the solution of a linear equation means the value of the unknown variable in that equation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.